Okay, we're going to have a look at how to go about adding homework notes for yourself. Thanks, Sam, for volunteering for this. You'll notice up the top that we've got a diary, and so if we click on that, we can set the date range for what we want to actually have a look at. We can actually filter out some of the classes that we want to actually focus in on. Um, there's a couple of ways in which you can actually put your homework in. And if we go to research project, very first lesson of very first day, even if it was orientation day, I'll just right click here and add a diary note. And somewhere in there, we just do read online. And then we'll just go save and close. And you'll see that that has bounced up there nicely for us. So we've got that message. If we left clicked on that research project, we'd actually go to the lesson, and you can see here that the teacher's been putting some stuff into the class feed, and also if we actually click on, we can see some of the lessons that are going on there. Well done. This is not something that all teachers are using straight away, but obviously in the case here, that is Frank Cammons is running that with this particular class. I'll just go back to the diary, and there's another way in which you can put your diary entries in. You would have probably spotted it already up here where it says new diary entry. So I'll click on that, and again you can sort of pick out your day and what you want to attach the homework to as far as your class goes. Now I'll just cancel out of that. It's useful to know that tucked away here in your calendars, you should also be able to see your homework. Now, this is showing up here in this case. We can see Monday, that research project, and it tells us what we're wanting to do. In some cases, it may be difficult to see when there's lots and lots of calendar things on. So I'd recommend that when you're doing homework, if you want to see that through the calendar, that you click off the Faith College calendar just to clean that up a little bit, and you can find your way in there. One thing that you can't do easily is actually click on that item and open it up. So to really see what's going on there, you need to go through your diary. This is actually a bug which they are planning to fix, because actually, if you headed into another space in the diary here, in the calendar, and you double clicked, you'll find that you can actually enter a diary note within your calendar. So you can get part way through this whole thing, and if I put something in here for Sam, like practice butterfly, ready for North Ryan doing well at the aquatics day, and we save and close that. Um, we've got that practice butterfly tucked in there, but you can just see it if I hover over it. But if I double click on it, I can't get back into it. So that's just a little bug, but you can get around that comfortably at the moment by going to classes diary, and you'd find if you scroll down that that's showing in there quite nicely anyway. So that's the way in which you can enter stuff into your diary. Easy.